So what is an Roth IRA? You know, I get so caught up in basic, a little bit more advanced financial strategies dealing with business owners that I forget sometimes there's many people who don't know very simple things like a Roth IRA and what is it. So, you know, to me, the Roth IRA is like the superstar on the team. I mean, this is like Michael Jordan in the 80s and early 90s on the basketball court. I mean, whenever the Roth IRA walks on there, everybody notices, right? I mean, this is how cool this particular investment account is. Now, a Roth IRA is a little twist, if you will, on an individual retirement account. So the Roth portion of it is named after a particular congressman, senator who dealt with that, but the IRA is an individual retirement account. So we have basically the same rules which apply to a Roth IRA. So let's deal with the basic rules. The basic rule is this. On a Roth IRA, we can make contributions up to, in this calendar year, $5,500. The other rule is, because I'm older and I'm trying to catch up my account, I can put in an extra $1,000. So if I'm over the age of 50, I can put in this calendar year with where we're at now, $6,500. Now, the cool thing is as long as I use it for qualified reasons, in other words, as long as I follow the rules of the account, then my contribution grows tax-free. Yeah, I like the words tax-free. I mean, I can do a number of things inside a Roth IRA, and no matter how much it grows, all of the gains are tax-free as long as I follow the rules. So let's give an example. Let's say I put $5,000 into a Roth IRA, and it makes $1,000. Okay, so I earn $1,000. Everybody would be happy with that, especially if it was like in a year, right? So let's say that I made $1,000. Well, as long as I follow the rules of the Roth IRA, that $1,000, whenever I use it in my retirement, I'm going to get the $1,000 out tax-free. I've never paid money on that. I've never paid taxes on that. Plus, I get my original $5,000 out tax-free. So the premise of it is, if we can max out, we can put in our $5,500 into this account and let it grow. Now when we're in our 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, whenever we start taking money out of this account, the value or the money we take out of the account is tax-free, which is awesome. I mean, you can't get any better than that. I personally believe we're in a low tax bracket environment right now. Historically speaking, there were times whenever people were paying 60, 70% taxes on their income. We're not there right now. So I think the taxes are going to go up over the long term. I really do. I think we're going to see that. So a Roth IRA is a rock star. So as a basic, simple level, though, let's keep two rules in play. Number one, we're going to put the money in there. We're not going to deduct it. Okay, we're going to try to max it out at that $5,500 a year. I mean, if we can do that, it's like $480-something a month. If we can do that, I mean, fist bump right here, you know, I mean, let's go. Second thing is I'm not going to touch it until I'm over 59 and a half. Because if I don't touch it until I'm over 59 and a half, then I don't have to pay any penalties on any of the money, okay? Now, where it gets dangerous, and this is where business owners, we got to chat a little bit. If you start making too much money, you can't contribute to a Roth IRA. Okay, there's some things called a backdoor Roth that currently we can do, but for the most part, you can't contribute to a Roth IRA. What I'm going to tell every person in the world to do is, if you're making less than about $160,000, go ahead and set up a Roth IRA and start making a contribution of $100 a month. That's $1,200 a year. That $1,200 over a period of time, every year going into that account, is going to be unbelievably sweet in your retirement. I mean, tax-free. Do I need to say anything else? Tax-free money. I mean, come on. There are a number of planning techniques we can do with Roth IRAs. There's ways you can put money in, money out, and the list goes on and on. But from a very simple, very, very 101 level of Roth IRA planning, two rules. $5,500 going into it every year, and it grows tax-free. We don't touch it until we're over 59 and a half. I know life is hard. I know business can be stressful. I hear it every day. I've experienced it. Holy Batman, I got beat over the coals one time. We've all been there. Finances don't have to be that bad. I mean, let's continue to make them at least financially simple, okay? Hey, y'all make it a great day.